Hi guys, today we're diving into something that could completely change the way you think about retirement, how to retire in 7 years starting with $0. In this video, I'm going to share 4 key points that are absolutely crucial if you want to retire early. Trust me, these steps have the power to reshape your financial future, and missing out on any of them could cost you. So make sure you stay tuned for all of them, especially the last one, as it was the game changer in my journey to financial freedom. I know, this may sound like a wild claim, but stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how it can be done. The biggest reason most people don't achieve early retirement is that they've never been given a step-by-step guide. The typical advice from schools and society is to get a 9-to-5 job, save your money, work until you're 65, and then retire when you're too old to enjoy it. But here's the thing, retirement should not just be about stopping work. It should be about freedom. Once you reach a tipping point where you have enough money to stop working, that's when you achieve real freedom. Every day can be spent doing exactly what you want, whether it's relaxing on a beach, sipping a pina colada, or building businesses like Elon Musk. It's all up to you. So, let's get started. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact plan I used to reach financial independence in my late 20s, starting from $0. It wasn't easy, but it was worth every bit of effort. And hey, if I can do it, so can you. Before we dive into the details, make sure you hit the like button for the algorithm. Trust me, it really helps push this video to more people. And don't forget to subscribe if you're serious about growing your wealth. Number 1. Know your freedom figure. The first step to financial independence is understanding your freedom figure, the amount of money you need to stop working. This is crucial, whether you have $0 or $100,000 in the bank. If you don't know this number, it's like running a race blindfolded. Without a clear goal, you risk putting in effort and heading in the wrong direction. To calculate your freedom figure, use the times 25 rule. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to make $50,000 per year without working. Multiply that by 25 and you get $1.25 million. This is the amount of money you need to withdraw 4% annually without running out of funds. So, your freedom figure is $1.25 million if you want to live on $50,000 per year. I know, you might be thinking, how am I ever going to get to $1.25 million in just 7 years starting from a zero? It sounds tough, but it's not impossible. It's going to take discipline, the right mindset, and some strategic moves, but it's absolutely doable. Number 2, laying the foundations. Building wealth is like constructing a house. You need a solid foundation to ensure it doesn't crumble when life throws you a curveball. If you're living paycheck to paycheck or racking up high-interest debt, your foundation is already on shaky ground. The first step here is to pay off high-interest debt. This is crucial before you think about investing. High-interest debt is like a weight holding you back from building wealth. I know from experience when I was 18, I had quite a bit of debt. It wasn't easy, but I used the debt avalanche method to clear it. I focused on paying off the highest interest debt first, like my 32% store credit card debt, before working my way down. Next, you need to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses that could derail your investments. Without it, you'll be forced to pull money from your investments when an emergency arises. You also want to build a solid credit score. Think of it as your financial reputation. A good credit score opens doors for you when you need loans or favorable financial terms. Start simple. Get a credit card. Use it responsibly. Lastly, minimize your tax liability. This is key to preserving wealth over time. One way to do this is by contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA, which allow you to reduce your taxable income and let your investments grow without being taxed annually. Number 3, building multiple income streams. This is the fun part. Imagine your life is like a platform, and your job is one single rope that could snap at any time. If you only rely on a single income stream, one setback could throw you off course. But when you have multiple income streams, side hustles, investments, businesses, your platform becomes a lot more secure. Start with something that leverages your existing skills. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Whether it's affiliate marketing, freelancing, or even something like photography, pick something you're passionate about and get started. The key is to go above and beyond, add value, and you'll see the rewards come in. For me, building wealth didn't just mean making money, it meant investing it. Whether that's in the stock market, real estate, or your own businesses, get your money working for you, so you're not just trading time for dollars. Number 4, creating passive income. Once your side hustles are rolling and your income is flowing, it's time to work on passive income. This is where you stop trading hours for dollars and let your money make money for you. Whether it's through dividends, rental income, or smart investments. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. For example, I started with small investments in index funds and real estate. I learned about dividend reinvestment and let those returns compound over time. Cryptocurrency is another area where I see opportunities, but you have to be smart and cautious about the risks involved. Final thoughts. To retire in 7 years, starting from $0, you'll need to follow a disciplined, focused strategy. It won't be easy, but the payoff is worth it. Stay consistent. Build multiple income streams, reinvest your profits, and keep your eyes on the goal. It's possible to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and live life on your terms if you're willing to do the work. So, are you ready to start? The first step is figuring out your freedom figure. Get that number, then start putting in the work to build your foundation. And remember, it's all about momentum. Small steps lead to big wins. If you're serious about this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow along on this journey. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to make the leap and start your path to financial independence.